Take a look at this one. 1953 Chevrolet pickup street rod. Not many miles on this one since it's been finished. In beautiful shape. Yes, this one does look as good in person as it does this video and any of the pictures that you can find online. It's powered by a 350 small block Chev underneath the hood. That's paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It also is equipped with power steering, power brakes, so very nicely equipped. Set up to go down the road. So you just take a look at this grille. Nice that bright work and chrome is on it. Paint really stands tall on it. Right on new wheels and rubber. Come around and even take a look at the running board. Not all scratched up, dinged up, chipped up. Very nice looking paint on this truck. Also a nice setup in the interior. I'll get around to the driver's side where you can open it up and show you a little bit better. Just a couple things on the inside to finish it off to really make it complete and stand out. I'll get around to the other side so I can show you that from driver's side when we start it up. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, check the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to inquire about this, got any questions about transportation. Also, take a look at this bed, how it's finished off. Gas filler tube back there has got a new gas tank in it. Under the rear, but yeah, just look at the bright work back there and the condition of the wood. Obviously hasn't sat outside since it was finished. I said there's a couple little things just to finish off, make it stand out, be your own. How you'd want to hook up the tailgate securely. A couple different ways that we see them do that. As you can see, LED taillights on the rear there. It's a very classy job when this one was turned into a street rod. So that's one of the things. Again, those still pictures, you can check out the underside of the truck, check out the engine bay. Engine bay is very, very clean and neat. Check those still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, look at the, and that's reflection that you see in there. Check out the running boards on this side also. The gaps, how nice those doors fit. Back to these seats, these are kind of cool. I believe what it looks like to me is these were out of a General Motors pickup, probably a regular cab. Would have been what they call their 40-20-40 split bench seat. Cool part about it is this is a cubby hole underneath there for storage, and then you also have an armrest and cup holders. Very nice setup on the interior. One thing that could be finished, door cards. So you could finish them off in the gray or a gray suede or a two-tone if you want to go the gray and an orange to really set it off. You can see the headliner was finished, kind of a gray suede, and the rest of the cab and the interior was painted gray, if you can kind of see that. Again, take a look at those still pictures. I have it in the still pictures too at uniqueclassiccars.com. And then the other side door card, of course. And then just the kick panels. You can see it has the sound deadening. Carpeting has all been installed, but just put in the kick panels on each side. So basically, 2 door cards, 2 kick panels, and then the latches for the rear tailgate. It's kind of what would be the finishing touches on this truck that could really set it off. As you can see, they kept the stock looking dash, painted that the gray, and then put an updated gauge cluster in there. Tilt steering, obviously. It does have a stereo system that works in it. I'm going to show you how this starts too. Turn the key on here, push this button for the ignition. See how easily it starts. Gauges come on, light up. Same with the stereo. Just a very, very nice build. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this run too. See how nicely that door closes. It's a nice little rumble out of that 350. Nice sound. Nothing crazy obnoxious, but can you imagine rolling in to your local cruise in or taking this to a show? Once again, still pictures, check them out. Undersides engine bay, especially that engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com, and or feel free to give us a call. Be happy to help you out with this or transportation getting to you. 507-386-1726.